No matter how you feel about you, God says you are the right person. No matter what has happened to you, God says you are the right person. His blood has cleansed you and made you ready. That the Lord is pointing your direction, and the Lord is saying, bring that one to me. The Lord needs you. You are in God's kingdom for a reason. He wants you to carry the weight, His glory. It's not about you, it's about the one who has chosen you. What an honor, what a privilege to be chosen by God, to carry an amazing treasure, the presence of God that changes the whole world. God the Creator, who owns everything, comes to me, comes to you and say, even if I own everything, I need you. I need you. I need you. I need you. Here's my question. What is the item in your life that Christ is asking for today? Is it your time? Is it your talent? Is it your money? Is it your house? Is it your strength? Is it your family? Because God always asks for humans to help.
I must say this, tough times are an opportunity. Tough times are strengthening. Tough times are giving us an opportunity for us to create something in the current situation. Most of the wealth that are built by billionaires, or you can name it, most of them are built during tough times. A tough time has given them an opportunity for them to create something in the current situation they were in to prevent another futuristic circumstance. Tough time are giving us an opportunity to build a generational wealth. Tough time is more informing. It says to you and I, this situation can be historical. This situation can come back to us again, and it's possible that it can happen again. So now a tough situation is going to inform you that you need to do something about the current circumstance that you are going through and that you are facing, for you to prevent it before it comes back again. We have learned and we are informed that any circumstance is historical. Therefore, there's every possibility that what you are going through right now, it can come back again. But the question is, what are you going to do about it right now? Stay blessed.